Kung gusto mo ng kotseng parang motor lang yung binayaran mo at sobrang tipid pa sa gasolina, check mo to. For only 45,000 pesos down payment, no hidden charges, no hidden fees. I got you ulit. So this is the 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage GLX manual transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint at 15 inches alloy wheels, makakapalang tires. At sa harap, halogen headlight, may chrome accent yung grille at 3 ang ending. At sa engine naman, it's a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder pero hindi siya underpower kasi dual overhead cam na to at MyVec technology na rin. 5-speed manual, sobrang tipid sa gasolina at low maintenance lang. At syempre, napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At sa likod, orig pa yung mga lens, chrome garnish. At sa trunk, napakaluwag ng trunk space, kasya mga grocery nyo. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats at well-designed na dashboard, traditional infotainment system, climate control, 2 cup holders, 5-speed manual, napakaayos na steering wheel, analog display with 42,000 kilometers on the clock only, at vanity mirror sa driver's side. At sa second row, nothing special pero okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom, 6'4" ang height ko. For 45,000 pesos down payment and 12,000 pesos monthly for 4 years, pwede mo na itong iuwi. Sa cash naman, 388,000 pesos lang, mauuwi mo na to. One of the freshest and lowest in the market to. So kung gusto mo to, tumawag ka na. Huwag mo nang pakawalan to, reserve mo na. Thank you guys, peace out.